today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your working hours in Notion. Keeping track of your time is really important, whether you're freelancing, managing a team, or just trying to understand where your day goes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple and repeatable way to log your working hours directly inside Notion using the built-in timer, so everything stays organized in one place. Let's start on your projects and tasks page in Notion. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option to start a timer. This might appear as a button or an icon, depending on your setup or any integrations you're using. Go ahead and click on that Start Timer control. The moment you click it, Notion will open a small window or panel where you can set up the details for this particular work session. Now that the timer is started, you'll need to fill in the details. This is the part that makes your tracking useful later on. Typically, you'll want to select or type in the task or project you're working on, so the time is linked to the right item in your database. Add a clear description of what you're doing, for example, designing homepage layout or writing client report, instead of something vague like work. If there's a field for tags or categories, use those to group similar tasks, such as design, meetings, or admin. You may also have options to adjust the start time if you forgot to hit the timer right away. Just make sure it accurately reflects when you actually began working. Take a moment to double check everything before you confirm. Good time tracking depends on accurate details, so it's worth a quick review. Ask yourself, is the correct project selected? Is the description clear enough that future you will understand it? Are the time fields showing the right start time? Once you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, go ahead and click on the Done button. This action saves your time entry and links it to the task or project in your Notion workspace. The timer will stop and your working hours for that session are now recorded. From here, you can repeat this process each time you begin and end a focused work session. Over time, you'll build a detailed record of where your hours are going, which you can review, filter, or summarize directly in Notion.